Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to learn how to count from 21 to 100 in Dutch. A few weeks ago I posted a video on how to count from 0 to 20. If you don't feel confident counting from 0 to 20 in Dutch yet, I recommend you watch that video first. I will link it in the description. Let's start by counting from 21 to 30. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. As you may have noticed, we start with the ones followed by the tens in Dutch. So 21 is actually 1 and 20 in Dutch. 21. We keep this pattern until we reach 100. Let's look at all the tens now. We've already seen 10, 20 and 30. Then comes 40. Here we pronounce the V as an F, but as soon as we add a number, for example 41, we do pronounce the V as a V. 41. 50 in Dutch is 50, and here we do the same. 50 starts with an F sound. 51 is with a V. Then comes 60. The Z is pronounced as an S, 60, and it stays like that. 61. 70 in Dutch is 70. This is the same as with 60. 70, 71. Then comes 80. In Dutch we add a T, 80, instead of 80. 90 in Dutch is 90. This is completely regular. And then we have 100. We never say 100 or 100, just 100. Let's do a little exercise to test what we've just learned. I will show a few numbers on the screen and it's your task to guess how we say this in Dutch. Let's start with the first one. 27. Next. 45. And the last one. 73. That's it for this lesson. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Dag!